Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and this one was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested cloud nails. So this is what I will be creating for you guys today. And as you can see here, I'm just pushing back the cuticles, and then I go in and apply my peel off coat. But remember, don't apply a peel off coat if you do want your nails to last. So here I'm just applying my peel off coat, but I just wanted to give you guys a thanks once again, like I do in every single video. I'm very grateful for each and every one of my subscribers, and always feel free to comment down below any suggestions or any particular video you'd like to see. So thank you so much once again, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So here I'm just applying my base, and along with my base I will use it to cure the nail. I'm using it as a glue as well. So this is what I'm going to be doing for all the nails. So here I'm just using my LA colors that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and this is honestly one of my favorite polishes. It goes on so beautifully. I did go ahead and apply 3 coats in total, so here's just the process of me doing it. What the nails look like after I've applied 3 coats in total. I just applied 1 coat on camera, and now we're going to be going in with the LA Colors polish that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. And with this polish I will be drawing out with a dotting tool the clouds. For the final results of the nails, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.